Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best Olympic EZ curl bars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BalanceFrom Cast Iron Olympic Bar. If you find it hard to invest in an expensive curl bar but don't want to trade off quality, this is your best choice. This curl bar is short enough to use in narrow spaces and can carry a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. It also has a 2-inch end diameter, meaning you can use it with Olympic weight plates. You don't need any specialized plates for this bar, and its knurling is a good mix between aggressive and grippy. It will provide you with a solid grip without shredding your hands. The 2 grip positions of this curl bar are perfect for tricep and bicep training, and its 48-inch length lets you have a comfortable hold during deadlifts. While this easy bar is pretty affordable, it does not lag behind those with a higher price point. It's a versatile piece of equipment that can help you achieve your upper body goals. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cap Barbell Olympic Super Easy Curl Bar. If you're looking for a bar that specifically targets your arms, this Olympic Super Easy Curl Bar is the one for you. It has a deeply angled shaft that allows a wide range of grip options for when you're performing skull crushers, curls, and tricep extensions. Also, it comes with medium knurling to help you keep a steady grip during sweaty workout sessions. This easy curl bar from Cap has a wide array of grip options, enabling you to diversify your routine. One of the most notable is the hammer grip, as it lets you execute hammer curls with heavier weights and allows you to perform skull crushers and overhead extensions more comfortably. Other than that, this Olympic Easy Curl Bar has rotating sleeves that lessen the pressure on your wrist, permitting the Olympic plates to move freely, and preventing you from having injuries on your wrists or elbows. Plus, it also comes with diamond knurl on the grips to enable you to get a better hold when doing curls. This curl bar has a maximum weight capacity of 200 pounds, is made out of 51,000 tensile strength solid steel, and has a chrome finish preventing rust and corrosion. Number 3. Our third best pick is 11's 4-7 Olympic Barbell Curl Bar. If you're looking for a super curl bar with an excellent grip, then this curl bar is the one for you. It has a stainless steel bar with deep diamond pattern knurling on the grips. You may feel the aggressive texture if you have sensitive hands. However, as you get more calluses, you'll grow to like the stick that this bar gives. Thanks to the black manganese phosphate finish of this Olympic curl bar, you get a better grip in the smoother sections, and it protects it from corrosions. Also, it has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, which may not be enough for benching or deadlift but sufficient for arm movements. Since the angles are pretty aggressive, this curl bar may not be ideal for back squats. However, the ends are flat enough to accommodate different exercises. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rage Fitness 4-7 Olympic Curl Bar. Although this Olympic curl bar is more affordable than some of the easy curl bars on this list, its quality does not drop with its price point. It comes with a curved shaft and knurling, allowing you to reduce the stress on your wrist while giving you a better grip. The steel curl bar comes with a chrome finish and nylon bushings. The only issue that you'll notice is it's shorter. Now you know where the savings come from. Nonetheless, for its low price, this bar will help you perform some of the best curl bar exercises like rows, raises, and presses. Again said that this one is much affordable, high quality and made from steel with a chrome finish. Sleeves rotate less torque and lower risks of injuries. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Fitness First 10-sided fixed urethane curl bar. Although there are advantages with using curl bars that allow for weight plate adjustments, so are with fixed weight curl bars. For quick weight change from one bar to another, this one offering comes with 10 weight increments to select from. From 25 pounds to as much as 115 pounds, the hard, chrome finished, 30mm steel, 42-inch shaft is equipped at both ends with solid iron weights that are finished with durable urethane coating for extra protection and reduced noise when being used. Truly a commercial-grade piece that you can rely on for your presses and lifts. And high-quality finish, also durability for commercial use. 10-pound weight increments are decent. 10-sided weights with urethane coating for less noise and extra durability. Affordable also. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.